Here's kind of a fun one with some arm tricks for the leads. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to start off with vacila, 2 hands. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to think of it like rodeo. 5, 6, and then as I'm bringing the foul behind the lead, I want to go ahead and pull the left hand through to my left shoulder, the right hand on my right shoulder, so her arms are behind and not in front like this, behind. So that's the first part of where we want to get to. So we're going from two-handed vacila, 1, 2, 3, rodeo, 5, 6, hands behind the neck. So two-handed vacila, 1, 2, 3, rodeo, and the hands behind. Right hand on the right shoulder for the leads, left hand over the left shoulder. So if we get into it, 2 hands, 2, 3, 5, 6, step through. For the hands, it's going to be the leads. Right hand going over on 1, left hand going over on 2, right hand going over on 3. And then for 5, 6, 7, we're going to bring the right hand over to the left and then back over to the right. So we start two-hand vacila. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, step through. We've got 1, right hand goes over, 2, left hand goes over, 3, right hand goes over, and for the 5, 6, 7 side, we're just going to take the right, bring it over to the left, and then back over to the right. And so as we do that, we're going to keep the rodeo moving, keep the feet stepping for both the leads and the follows. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, and 7. And critical part here, the lead for 7 has to turn towards the right shoulder because we're going to get out of it with a swivel and shufa at the end. Swivel, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 3, two-handed vacila la. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, step through. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Look towards your right shoulder leads, look for the follow, and then swivel out of it. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.